The small cottage kitchen was quiet, illuminated only by the morning light filtering through the thatched roof. The hands, steady, began their work with the harvested root, the dense, white heart of the earth, known simply as the Earth Star. The root was first cut into manageable chunks, each piece examined for perfection. Then came the ritual of purification. A deep, thorough wash, stripping away all trace of soil and shadow. Next, the cooking vessel was prepared. Water was heated, and into it went the agents of transformation. A measured portion of salt, drawn from the crystallized sea, and the glowing golden essence of turmeric, which promised warmth and health. Once the water turned a soft saffron hue, the chunks of Earth Star were added to this turmeric and salt-mixed water, and cooked until they yielded completely to the gentle pressure of a thumb. The root was now tender, infused with a subtle, protective gold. The sizzle announced the next phase. Oil warmed in the pan. Black mustard seeds burst into sound, welcoming onions, curry leaves, green chilies, and salt. They danced in the heat, becoming golden and fragrant. The soft, cooked tapioca joined the sizzling spices, absorbing their flavor as the hands mixed well. A scattering of bright coriander leaves brought a fresh scent, quickly mixed well into the root. The final element, rich coconut milk, poured in, transforming the dish into a creamy, savory delight. After one last mix, well, the tasty tapioca recipe was ready.